My funny experience at a restaurant. Yep, this is a real story. And trust me, it's both embarrassing and educational. Hi everyone, welcome back to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, where learning English is fun, real, and full of true and sometimes silly stories. So grab your drink, relax, and let's dive into today's story. My funny experience at a restaurant. So, picture this. I was in this fancy restaurant. First time ever. You know, the kind of place where the menu doesn't have pictures. Just mysterious French-looking words. I sat down, pretending to be calm, like, yeah, I totally belong here. Then the waiter came and said, "Good evening, miss. May I take your order?" I froze. My brain was like, wait, what's a take your order again? So, quick lesson. May I take your order? Artinya, boleh saya catat pesanan Anda? Anyway, I tried to sound confident and said, "Yes, I'll have the soup of the day, please." I didn't even know what that soup was, but hey, it sounded smart. A few minutes later, the waiter came back with a bowl of something green and suspicious. I looked at it and said, "Excuse me, what is this?" He said, "It's spinach soup, miss." Oh no. I hate spinach. Tapi karena malu, I smiled and said, "Oh yes, my favorite." And then I started eating slowly, trying to look classy while silently crying inside. Now, here's where it gets worse. When I finished, the waiter came and asked, "How was everything, miss?" In English, itu artinya, "Bagaimana makanannya, nona?" Bukan literally, "Bagaimana semuanya?" And guess what I said? I said, "Everything was alive." The waiter froze. Apparently, I wanted to say fresh, tapi yang keluar malah alive. Jadi, lesson number 2. Kalau kamu mau bilang makanan segar, bilangnya fresh, bukan alive, okay? Then, I wanted to pay, so I confidently said, "Can I play with card?" Yes, play, bukan pay. The waiter looked confused for 3 seconds, then smiled politely. "Oh, you mean pay by card, miss?" And I was like, Yes, pay by card. Lesson number 3. Pronunciation matters. Pay, membayar, pay. Play, bermain, play. Satu huruf beda, tapi artinya jauh banget. Finally, I left the restaurant feeling like a legend. But you know what? That day taught me something really important. Don't be afraid to make mistakes in English, because sometimes your funniest moments become your best teachers. So here's your quick recap. May I take your order? Artinya, boleh saya catat pesanan Anda? How was everything? Artinya, bagaimana makanannya? Fresh, bukan alive. Pay, bukan play. So, have you ever had a funny English mistake like that? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, where learning English is always fun, real, and sometimes a little embarrassing. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.
Halo teman-teman, welcome to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris. Di sini, learning English is fun, simple, and for everyone. Yuk belajar bareng supaya makin percaya diri ngomong bahasa Inggris. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's get started!